today we will solve this question. The question is convert decimal to binary number system. So here we will convert 17. You can see base is 10. That means it is decimal number system. Okay. So here first of all, you have to find the LCM. If you don't know LCM, then it's very simple. You have to always divide it by 2. Okay. So here we will write 2 and then after that 17. Okay. Now divide it. 17 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. And you can see the remainder is 1. Okay. So here you have to write the quotient 8 and here you have to write the remainder 1. Got it? This 8 you have to write here and this remainder 1 you have to write here. Now again divide by 2. You know very well. 2 4s are is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. So here now the quotient you have to write, that is 4. And the remainder you can see is 0. You have to write 0 here. Okay. So you know very well 2 2s is 4. And you know the remainder is 0. The same way, if you don't know how to find LCM, it is very easy. You can simply divide it by 2 every time. Okay. Whenever we convert decimal to binary, we have to divide by 2. Now again, you know very well 2 1s are 2. Okay. Remainder is 0. Now the last step I have already told you that you have to divide it by 2 again. Okay. This is not there in the step in LCM. Okay. But the last step you will have to follow, that is 2 zeros are 0. You can see here, I'll explain you with this. See, 2 1. Now we are dividing 1 by 2. It is 2 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1. Okay, so always in the last there will be remainder 1 and here you have to write quotient 0. Got it? This is the quotient, 0 here and the remainder 1 here. Okay. Now how you have to write this? Bottom to top. Okay. So you have to write this one first. So let's see. 17 decimal number system equals to this one. 0, 0, 0 and 1. And the base is 2. That means this is binary number system. So one more example I will explain you. 19. It is decimal number system because it is with base 10. And now what is the answer we have to find? So let's find the LCM. So 2. Here you write 19. Now divide 19 by 2. 2 9s is 18. Okay. So remainder is 1. So what you have to write? You have to write quotient here 9 and remainder you have to write 1 here. Okay. Now 2 4s is 8. You know very well remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. And 2 zeros is 1 and remainder is always 1. Okay. Now how you have to write? This way. So first of all, write here 19 base 10 and then here you write from here. Okay. Put arrow like this so that it is easy for you to write the answer. So first of all 1 0 0 1 1 and it is base 2. That means binary number system. So students, now we will convert binary to decimal number system. You can see this is a binary number is in form of 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, and base is 2 and that is why it is binary number system. Okay, so first of all you have to write it like this. Then after that you have to make arrow. Okay, write it here 1. You have to write here. This one you have to write here. Bring 0 here. Then again this 0 here and this 1 here. Okay, then you have to multiply 2. Okay, here 2 raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 into You can see 2 raised to the power is always 1. I have already told you in the video also, 2 raised to the power of 0 is always 1. You have already studied it in maths also. So 1 into 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 only. 0 into 2 raised to the power of 2 means 2 2s are 4. Then 0 into 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then 1 into 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 here. Now it is 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 0 4s are 0, 0 8s are 0, and 1 16s is 16. Okay, so 6 2 1 you have to add and it will be 9, and this is 1. You have seen just now we have converted 19 to this, and now we are converting this back to 19. Got it? Now let's write the answer. The answer is 19 base 10. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.